I love how much dance is sneaking its way back into society. Dance is so prominent, now more than it's been before, but I still feel like there's this void that needs to be filled that tells the story of a contemporary dancer who is in a company. I don't know, just that's my dream to do that. When I was 16, my friends and I were all starting to think about what we were going to do with our lives, and I started picturing myself majoring in dance at college, traveling around with a contemporary dance company. And it didn't excite me as I thought it would all those years. I was just thinking about the things that I loved most about dance, which was entertaining and telling a story, and that's when I kind of opened my eyes again to acting. My biggest dream is to be able to be in a movie or some great TV show where I get to dance, and it's about a contemporary dancer of some kind. I was always sort of a ham as a kid, just always wanting to entertain and to get people to laugh.